friends, welcome back. I'm so glad you came today. I am going to be featuring the cutest little sticker set that features a little bear called Winston. It's got cake, it's got macaroons, it's got ice cream. What is not to like about it? And it is the vibe I'm kind of going for right now and looking for. So before I get into that real life planner stuff, I like to kind of motivate myself and get in the little bit of the groove by doing something crafty and creative, like decorating my week. So grab your planner and your sticker set and let's plan and decorate together. This is May, and it's the week of 19th through the 25th, and we are going to use the Winston kit. I don't know which one this is called, but it's awful cute and adorable. And I will definitely link her link to her company. It's Nightingale Paper Company. She's got this little character. I just love him. He does all kinds of cute things. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, I absolutely love decorating first. You know, even when the week is a little chaotic, this just helps me feel peaceful, calm. It also kind of motivates me to get to planning, because then I get to put down more stickers when I actually do the planning part. And that will be in part 2 of Winston Week. I'm calling this Winston Week because we're doing all Winston stickers. Well, we may not do all Winston stickers, but we're gonna pretty much do all Winston stickers. So anyway, I love Winston. He just makes me smile, doesn't he? And sometimes that's just enough to shift my mood when I see a Winston, right? So let me pull this up real quick. I kind of didn't do that very good, did I? Uh-oh, this isn't coming up very well. I really smashed it down. Let's see if I can get this up real quick. Okay, let's do it this way. Right. There. Okay, so sometimes if you start one way and it doesn't work, if you do it the other way, it'll work. I won't pull up everything. So I have got a crow right outside my window. You'll probably hear him. The dogs are kind of going crazy because the crow keeps crowing. They're looking out. They just had a barking fit. You might have heard it. I don't know if it's on the recording or not, but they're funny today. They're lively. They're feeling good, apparently, because they're all over the house. Polo, he ate a little legal pad the other night. The corner off of it. Such a silly goose. Okay, so now, like I said, I just love these stickers. They put you in a good mood. It makes you it just makes you feel good. All right, so I'm gonna put a May up there, I think. And I'm gonna go with this May. And this is from Hubman Chubgirl. This is the only sticker we'll use from Hubman Chubgirl. I'm gonna put that right there. Actually, I was gonna put one of these down first. I'm just taking up and putting down today, aren't I? Hold on one second. Let's get this done. All right, so which one should I put in there? Love at first bite? I don't think so. I'm gonna do something like this. I really like this one, because he's got the Winston peeking out from the popsicle there. Do you see it? Huh. Okay, so I'm gonna put that over the May, and then we'll put the May back down. So we've got May in there. And then over on the sidebar, the dashboard, I'm gonna add, on my little dashboard here, I'm gonna add dinners, I think. I'm gonna let this be the dinner one. All right, so I'm gonna put that under the Winston. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then let's do this, as they do have a dinner thing, so I'm going to put that here. And this sideboard helps me keep track of a lot of things. You can do reminders or little things that are coming up for the week, or, you know, just little wins if you want. And actually at the bottom I always do a grateful section, and this time I'm going to add a little happy memory, I think, for the week. So it just gets you thinking positive, and this helps me relax when I have to plan. I get to, you know, say something and think about the positive rather than what I didn't get done. I think sometimes we're just too hard on ourselves. So I'm going to do this for right now. I will probably put in some more lines maybe. Let's see. Isn't that pretty? I love the little stuff on this. Okay, now let's get these done. Now I was debating what I was gonna do with these because I love this, but it is a little large for this section. Oh wait, it goes here, I think. Doesn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna put that here. And then I'm going to put this down here in the center. Okay. All right, we got that done. Now let's do a little grateful over here. Let me see. And I always debate, do I write grateful or do I write what I'm grateful for? Do I write gratitude? I never know. What do you guys think? Do you have a preference? I'm gonna write gratitude, I think. We're gonna do purple. We got that in purple. Let's do this in like the green, I think. And I am gonna put gratitude this time. Okay. Now, let's do that. Let's see. Let's put that here. And then I'm going to put a little flower over the note. Oops, that didn't work well. Hold on, guys. Do that. A little flower. Okay. And then we're going to pull that up because I want to put down here, like I said, happy memory for the rest of the week, right? Happy memory. So we have a happy memory. And then I am going to put a little flower there too, I think, like a green flower. So see, we get to add a little decor, just not too much. All right, so I'm back. We have a little phone call interruption. So I'm starting back. Okay, so now I did take the happy memories off because I want to put this here, down here. That'll be cute. And then we'll put the happy memories on top of that happy memory. So there we go. So it really stands out. And then I'm going to take my Tombow markers. And these are the colors that I have. I have the 451, the 991, the 620, the 761, and the N95. So I'm going to use all those, I think. I think I'm going to do some stripes down and then maybe come in with a gray and stripes. So let's see what we got here. Let's see. So we're going to do stripes across. You can hear my dog Ginger. There we go. Just a minute. Ant or something on there. Okay, and a blue. Highlight those. You can come under here with a little bit of a gray. That sort of highlights them. Alright. Okay, now that looks good. Okay, what's next? We're going to put, I think, these here on top of these to highlight them a little bit more. Let's get this down. Okay. Goodness, we got all kinds of sounds going on tonight, haven't we? All right. There we go. That looks good. Okay, now, let's put out some Winstons here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Which one shall we use? I love the sprinkles and the cake and the donuts. Let's see. Let's do the eating one maybe. Right here. Tuesday. we can do this one on, let's see, Friday. Let's see, that's going to be a fun day. Let's put Friday down to 12. So put it right in the middle. Let's see, we'll do it right here. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, perfect. And then what I would also like to do is, and I should have put that down beforehand, but that's okay. We'll make it work. We're going to put a little bit of some glitzy glamour on here. Let's get my glamour out. I wonder if we should do it down here this time. Maybe right here. There we go. Okay. And here. Okay. That looks good. Now, let's do a couple more of these, maybe one here, right? Yeah, let's put one next here. Let's see. Maybe here, maybe right here. That's good. And then these, first one, let's see. What do we have? Let's put one here instead. Let's see. And then these we can use when we're writing on things. Like we're writing out lists or things like that. That's what we'll use this for. All right, so there we go. Now, let's do one other little thing. Where are my little springy Winstons here? Oh, here they are. Okay, now, let's do maybe some bees and flowers on those. We got 2 flowers, so let's do this. Let's put a flower here. And then put a flower here. And we can do a few little bees around. Buzzing. These are cute, aren't they? Just buzzing bees here. That's what we're gonna do. Perfect. Okay. This one gets a little more, I think. I should put one down here somewhere, I think. Okay. All right. I think we're ready to go. What do you think? I think we're good to go. We've got enough appointment boxes. I've got letters with to-dos and this week, happy mail and all that we can use. And that'll be perfect. So now, let's do this up here too. Welcome spring. Let's put that up here maybe. Oh, we're not finished yet. Hold on. I think we're gonna do this. We're gonna line the things. We're gonna we'll do this where we outline the numbers. There we go. And actually, we need to use the pen tips for that. I think that'll help the accuracy. There we go. And then the 21. There you go. Let's do it on the outside, can't you? Okay. And then the pink one. Both sides. There we go. And then let's do the purple, the blue. Blue. inside of the knot. The outside. We can do that on one side and one side. There we go. And then let's do the yellow. Actually, yeah, let's do the yellow. Whoops, that's the wrong side. Okay, now let's do it on this one too. All right, last one. Let's see, that's the purple now. Do the purple. Perfect. All right, I think we are done with just our layout. What do you think? I think that's cute. I think that's really good. All right, so now what's your favorite kind of theme to plan with? Cute animals or seasonal kits, something cozy? Drop it in the comments and I'd love to know what makes your planner feel joyful. And do you have a go-to sticker theme right now? Do you have somebody you guys like? You know, I mean, let me know. Say hi. I do read and reply to every comment. So say hi down below. All right, well, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you're a planner who wants more joy, health, and connection, hit subscribe and plan with me every week. Bye.